Let me tell you, my name is Viola. I work with the National Lawyers Guild. It is an honor to be here today with you guys to support the movement. Thank you. Let me tell you what happened in court today, what is going to happen in the future. In court today, we represented about a dozen people who were charged for their alleged participation and presence at the occupation in Franco Gawa / Oscar Grant Plaza on January 4th. Those folks were originally arrested on a charge of resisting arrest when officers, by and large, for the most part, approached them and asked them to leave as part of their attempt to break this movement.
By the way, they didn't actually.
When folks, at that point, folks were arrested. They subsequently appeared in court, and instead of being charged with resisting arrest, which is probably a charge that they could not make out, they were charged with instead blocking the sidewalk. That attempt to try to convert this case into an issue of blocking the sidewalk is quite see-through, a very thin attempt to violate people's civil rights and prevent them from participating in their movement at the occupation itself, at Franco Gawa Plaza, at Oscar Grant Plaza, for the purposes of raising their voices as part of the 99%. So what we did in court today is we have moved to dismiss. We will be filing those motions to dismiss. The basis is that it's inappropriate to convert this charge, to charge people for blocking the sidewalk, for ultimately just participating in a social movement that is addressing some of the most desperate problems that we have as a country today, and addressing the fact that many people who are in the street feel that our democracy is hopelessly in danger from corruption and from inequality, and that they cannot simply try to break that movement by charging people basically with blocking the sidewalk. We signaled to the court today that we were going to be opposing that motion, calling it out as constitutionally defective. We will be back on February the 22nd in Department 115 to actually argue those motions. Thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you for supporting this movement. There are many other cases that are going. There are dozens of cases that have already been filed. There are many cases obviously waiting for arraignment. We intend to stand together. We intend to represent people together and stay together as a group and stay together as a moment. And thank you guys all for being here.
And none of these 12 people, they're all free on the OR, no one's in custody of these 12 people.
Right now, everybody is out on their, is released either on bail or on their own recognizance. The stay-away orders, which is an attempt that they've been using, another attempt to break this movement, did not come up in court today, and we are grateful for that. When it does come up, we will be prepared to fight those. Stay away orders.